Man, I love this show.
Placenta sandwich. Can you please help me with the dishes?
No thanks, Grandma.
But I need your help with the dishes. Can you please do me a favor and help me with the dishes?
Grandma, I said no. Now let me watch TV.
But I really need your help.
Shut up, Grandma! Drink your prune juice!
H. Placenta sandwich. How dare you tell me to shut up and drink my prune juice? That's it. I'm calling your mother. Go home now.
What?
Placenta sandwich. Get the freaking hell over here right now.
Placenta sandwich. How dare you tell my mom your grandmother to shut up and drink her prune juice? That's it. You're grounded till January. That means you're getting nothing for Christmas.
What?